welcome to the Trucking Show. Must go on. Alright, so I have to get down and push that button. Or let me roll my window up real quick. Alright, let's go to the car wash. I'll run it twice. It does. It cleans some, you know. At least it keeps it clean. So it just shoots soap and like a pressure washer deal, you know. Alright, cool. And then this is like some kind of protection or something. Well, this one's barely working. Alright, and then pressure washer with the water. Come on. Well, see, it didn't even work. So we're gonna have to do it twice, guys. Let's do it twice. It didn't even work. Alright. So
I was wondering why you're a stupid bitch vacuum motherfucker.
Somebody's mad in the radio. Somebody's mad in the radio. Okay. Let's do it one more time. Alright, man. We're back around for another round. Alright, let's see. If this not, maybe I need to go a little faster. I don't know, sometimes this watch gets broken. It's pretty old though. I don't know, they have to come and fix it. Maybe it took too long. Let me get out. Push that darn button so you guys can see. Let me hurry up. Hurry up. Maybe it took too long. Well, I went through the soap, so I don't want to. Now I can go a little faster through this part. Just let it get a little bit here. Then come over here. Yeah, it's not working, guys. Oh, there we go. It's working somewhere. There we go. Come on. Get in there. Get in there. Truck nice and clean. Alright, now this pressure washer. Come on, where pressure washer? Oh, here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, the front's more important. We got all those bugs now. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Nice, it worked. That's enough for me. Our company pays once a week, so we can go wash our trucks or any truck washing place we like. So, but we also have this here, and they ask us to please use it. But guys, we need shiny trucks. If you guys can tell, all the trucks are nice and shiny and chrome everywhere and detail and nice. We're Western, baby. We're Western. We don't mess around. Alright, we'll find me a little spot over here to park. Look, there's a spot right here. Oh yeah, baby. Looks like a guy over here in the way, man. I think probably he was parked there. So I'll show him a little bit of the way here. But I am good parking this beast. So he can be on the way all he wants. Ain't bothering me. No, sir. Ain't bothering me at all. It's hard to see it is wet. This guy's parked really crooked as well. truck right now. He just saw me. And he's like, whatever, dude. Whatever. I don't care about you. I don't respect you at all. Some people don't care, man. Anyways, I parked the perfect now. It's always the way. And I always manage to get it done, baby. Alright, we're good. We are good, people. We're good. It is over, Beethoven. We're done. Peace to the next trip. To the next trip. You guys will come with me again. Like, subscribe, share. Show it to your uncle, your grandma, your niece, your nephew, your wife, your son, your daughter, your auntie, your best friend, your whatever. The guy that lives on the street, the dude that works in the guy you know from high school that you never talked to him for like 50 years. Share that stuff with him, man. Tell him there's this crazy guy that does all this YouTube trucking stuff, man. He needs a subscriber. Come on now. Get it. See it. Chuck and Joe out, baby. Whoa. Like, subscribe, and share. And please hit the bell icon. And thank you for watching.